Once the quotation has been approved, we can create purchase orders for these quotations. Before creating a purchase order, we need to create an approval process, otherwise the purchase order will automatically be approved. To create an approval process for a purchase order, select New Approval Setting. Enter a title for the purchase order approval process. In the related field, select Purchase Order. Select the approver needed for the process. You can review what each of these options mean in the video. Create Purchase Request and Approval. When you're done, select Save. Next, go to the General Settings menu and enter the shipping information to show in the purchase order. When you're done, select Save. Next, select the Purchase Options menu, check or uncheck, Not Creating Purchase Request, Quotation. If we enable this option, we cannot create purchase order from quotation. I want to create purchase order from quotation, so I'm going to uncheck this option. Next, select the Purchase Order menu and click New. We will enter the name of this purchase order in the Purchase Order Description field. Then select a vendor. We can create purchase order from purchase request, quotation, sale invoice or existing items. And I will create purchase order from quotation. Next, select the relevant department and project if any. In case the purchase order creation screen doesn't have some of the fields we need, we can create custom fields and choose Belong To as pure_order. Next, confirm the shipping information at the Shipping Information tab. We can update again here. We can also add items to the purchase order from the list of available items. Enter 3 to 5 characters based on the keyword of the item to add. Select the item, enter the quantity to buy, and press the blue check button to add the item to the purchase order. When you're done, select Save. If you are admin, you can change the status of this purchase order to approved or rejected or canceled without going through the approval process. Once the purchase order is created, it will show up in the vendor portal. Next, select Send Approval Request. FAN staff will receive approval request notification via email and web. Select the notification icon and tap the approval request notification received. Select Approve. This purchase order is sent to GT Solution for him to approve. After FAN staff approved, GT Solution will receive a notification requesting approval. Click on the notification to redirect to the purchase order detail page. Select Approve and the status of the purchase order change to Approved. Next, go to Vendor Portal. The vendor confirms the purchase order and updates the delivery date. Vendor can confirm the purchase order outside the management screen with the green icon, or go to the purchase order details, review the information and press the Confirm button in the upper right corner of the screen. Click OK to confirm the action. Return to the purchase order management screen. When the order has been delivered to the admin, update the delivery date. When you're done, select Save. We will update delivery status for purchase order. Next, we can convert the purchase order to expense. Fill in the information in this pop-up and click Save. Back to purchase order details, we can create payment in this screen. In case the purchase order has no purchase invoice, when creating a payment, the system automatically creates a purchase invoice for this purchase order with the amount that we entered in the payment. In case the purchase order already has an invoice, when clicking Payment, the purchase invoice is automatically filled in for payment.